Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your CAT S53 louder. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then go to the search bar and look for the Volume Booster app. Choose one of them. I was using the Goodie app. Now click no thank you, yes agree 3 times and close the window. Tap OK, and now the tool is active. Now you can increase and decrease the volume power by this little slider. So just adjust it to your needs, and if you're ready, just tap on the home screen. And now the tool is still active. If you close the application from the background apps, the tool is still active. So if you want to disable it, click on the icon on the home screen, choose Stop Service and click OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.